Jai Hind students, this is history of class 11th, the Central Islamic State, chapter 4. So, break up of the caliphates and the rise of sultans. The Abbasi states become weakened, and in 9th century, because the Baghdad controlled over the district province of the declined, and because of the conflict between pro-Arab and pro-Iranian factions in the army and bureaucracy. In 810, a civil war broken out between support of Amir and Mumin, Amin and Mumin, son of the Khilafat Harun al-Rashid, which deepened the factionalism and created a new power blow of Turkish Slav officers Mamluk. So, Selims once again competed with Sunnis Orthodox, the power for power. So here is a clash started between Shias and Sunnis. A number of minor dynasties across such as Thariids and Samardians and Qurayshians and Transoxianians turned on the land beyond the Oxus and the tourists of the Egypt and Syria. Abbasi's power was soon limited to central Iraq and western Iraq. Now what happened? They too was lost in 945 when the Buids and cities claimed for the Caspian region of the Iraq, Dylan and the captured Baghdad. So, the Buids ruled assumed various little including the ancestor Iran titled Sansings King of King, but it was not very significant. They keep Abbasi Khalif as symbolic head of the Sunni subject. So, the decision not to be abolished the caliphate was showered on because another city uh, city destiny of the Fatimids were ambushes to the sector of the schism and claimed to be considered from the prophet daughter Fatim, and hence the sole rightfully rulers of Islam. From the basis of the North Africa, they consecrate Egypt in 969 and established Fatimid Khalifa, the old Khalifa of the Egypt. Frustrated was repeated by a new city, Kahira, founded on the day the rise of the planned mosque Mariks, also called Al-Qahir. Between 950 to 1200, Islamic society was held together not by one single political order or a single language of the culture Arabic, but now common economic and culture pattern. So, unity in the facts of the political division was manufactured by the expressions between the states and the society development of Persian as the language of the Islamic higher culture and maintainary the dialogues between intellectual tradition, scholars, artists, and merchants moved freely within the Central Islamic lands and assured that the circumstances of the ideas and manners.